I use Samana Small Steps Trader channel. So today report before the money mantra. You can make money in two ways: make more or spend less. So today currency spot, which is RBI reference rate. According to RBI reference rate, USD 82 rupees 61 paise, GBP 104 rupees 15 paise, Euro 89 rupees 76 paise, Yen 56 rupees 45 paise. The currency future. So we will see currency chart. First USDINR. We will have a look. So if you see the USDINR, it had a last previous session it was closed to 82.74 and opening 82.66, around 8.8 paise it was a gap down. Then it has recovered immediately at close basis. It closed just 1 paise negatively. See this gap down, it was continued till 15 minutes. After that it started recovery. So around 10 o'clock it has completely covered that gap. It came down to the previous close. Then on it is completely in the sideways. So if you see this is solidly 71, 72, just one paisa movement for a long period of time you can see. So in my 10 years of the experience, I never see such kind of narrow sideways for the day. So this is very difficult to take. Yeah, I think it's all because of it. That tomorrow is an expiry day for the currency. So please do remember, unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty, and commodity, the expiry day trading happens till end of the day. For example, the Nifty, the trade happens till 3:30 in the expiry day, and the commodity till 11:30 in the MCX commodity. But if you see the currency, though on the expiry day at the midday it will be expired around 12:30 p.m. When 12:30 p.m. the expiry is closes. But tomorrow the contract will be closed. So in the picture and the chart I given is a September contract, but the August contract will close around 12:30 exactly will closes. So if you see the 1 hour chart, it is consolidating. See last filter session, it is consolidating in 10 PC. So I think tomorrow it until expiry 12:30 it may continue within this channel. It won't break even that I will show in the option chain. So for the upper side moment it has to break this 80 to 80, or else for the downside it has to break 80 to 70. So either side it may break in the next contract after the expiry. Next we will see JPYINR. So it had a gap down. The previous close is 57.05. It gap down of around 13 paise. It has a gap down, but again that gap is expanded in the during the day. You see the chart. At one stage it has come till 56.77. So the opening is 56.93, but again 20 points again it came in the first candle itself. Then it gave a recovery. If you see 56.77, it tried to come up out 10 points. And after that, very narrowly, the whole day it has traded. If you see this is 56.79, and see just on 3 paise it has keep on move for the very long time in the day. For the positional traders, 1 hour chart, see this two session on the end, most of the time it was in the sideways movement, so it didn't try to recover. But anyway, in the last session I said that if the ADX penetrates the minus DMA, the downside will comes in control, and there are possibilities it try to change the direction. So this may happen in the next contract, I mean the same the September contract. After this current August contract, tomorrow it expires. So next month the direction may change. GBPINR. So it had a gap down. So previous close is 104.39. The opening is 35, so just 4 paise gap down had happened. At the end, close to close basis minus 28 points. If you see the chart, after the gap it has tried to recover, but it couldn't able to go in the opposite. It has again fall. If you see from here, 104.30 we can see. From there it has come down to 104, nearly 104. 30 paise it has come down. For the intraday players, the entry point would be this. So it broke all the 3 lines. If anybody took the short entry here, it will easily covered after this. We covered this place. So around 20 paise, around 20 paise in sense 200 rupees per lot is the profitable chance. For the personal trader, the 1 hour chart, say this is consolidating. So the minus D may keep on coming down. So it is gradually going up. So this has to happen. So then only the trend may change. Otherwise, it will continue. EURINR. It had a little gap down. The previous close is 89.55. Open 89.46. Around 9 paise gap down. The close to close basis just 1 paise negatively it closed. So it is completely recovered from the bottom. If you see 89.45, it has came up till 65, you can see. So 20 paise there from the low it is tried to recover. So it's a good recovery, we can say. But from there again it has come down 15 paise. Again it has gone up 15 paise. Again there was a little bit of volatility, but the whole volatility, if you see, the down low is 89.45 and here is 65. So the 20 paise for euro as concerned, this 20 paise is very less volatility for day concerns. So it has to minimum around 30 to 40 paise. So, but within the 20 paise, it had 3 times the 15 paise movement it had happened. 1, 2, 3, you can see that. So the day chart, if you see, it trying to consolidating last 2 sessions. So maybe in the next month on, it may recover. USD options. So have a note of this 80 to 61. So tomorrow is the expiry, monthly expiry. If you see here, it is standing low. So 80 to 61, we saw that the reference rate. So tomorrow, there are a lot of chances, huge chances we can say, 95% chances it may close within this place, 80 to 57, 80 to 75. The open interest also confirming the same thing. If the either stakes its move away from the stake, that stake comes into in the money. So the writers doesn't like that. So they try to stops here. And similarly, the put option also confirms the same thing. So the chances, high chances is it closed here only. So 80 to 61 is the today's RBI reference rate. The expiry may be very much narrowly at the same point it may happen. So tomorrow we will see what had happened. Time to boss the dollar, US dollar. See, it's decently the trend is in the there is no confusion. Let's keep on trending. If you see the weekly chart, it's very good size of the candle we can see. So if the same thing continues, we keep on saying that 106 is the resistance. So around next month mid it may touch. So the Fed interest rate hike also, there are a lot of expectation. So with that respect, this has a lot of chances this may touch this 106. If we see what happens. So with this we end up this video. This is for learning purpose. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this video. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.